Songbird, Kerri Ho from thesongbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight, and sing. And I really want to see you sing your heart out. So here we are, day 6 of 21 days to your new voice. And today we're going to talk about letting go of anxiety. Now, when I talk about anxiety, I'm talking about the anxiety that we feel, let's say before we get on stage to actually perform a song in front of people, and the nerves and the stage fright and the butterflies, how do we actually deal with that? But I'm also just talking about a general sense of anxiety, just in showing people our singing voice. Like, I know that for years and for ages, and I still do struggle with this sometimes, I was scared to go to karaoke with my friends. Yeah, even me. Because I was so scared that they would really have super high expectations of me, because they know I'm a vocal coach, and that I wouldn't meet their expectations. And so it would cause anxiety in me. Nowadays I love going to karaoke, but there was definitely a time and period where I just didn't want to do it because I didn't want to make a fool of myself, and I was really scared of people judging me. Anyway, and then there's also just a general sense of anxiety over singing. Like, some people just have this anxiety about themselves where it's like, I don't feel like I'm good enough to sing. I don't feel like I'm good enough to take lessons. I don't feel like I'm worthy to learn to sing and to have fun with my voice. And if you haven't watched day 1 of this 21 day to your new voice journey, I really encourage you, please, to go back and watch day 1, because that was all about cultivating the right mindset in order for you to really be able to take flight with your voice and to enjoy this journey and to have fun with singing. You've got to realize it starts with your mind, and it starts with how you view yourself. So go back and watch that video. That goes hand in hand with what we're going to talk about today. But today we're going to cover a very practical exercise that I have found to be an absolute game changer when it comes to getting rid of that sort of anxiety, whether it's I'm about to go on stage to perform, or whether it's just anxiety for, like general life. Like, if I'm going through a stressful period in my life, or I'm super busy and I'm feeling a little bit just unsettled, I find that this exercise just is an absolute game changer. So hey, today you get 2 for the price of 1, except it's all free. But anyway, you get 1 exercise that's going to address your singing anxiety. It's also just going to address anxiety overall. So I hope this is really helpful. The exercise is called alternate nostril breathing. So yeah, we're going to do another breathing exercise, but this is a game changer, seriously. Okay, so this is not so much about vocal technique, but about really addressing the issue of anxiety. Okay, let me just get into it. Okay, so what we do is we use our fingers to cover one nostril as we breathe in. Anyway, let me just show you, okay? So I'm going to use my thumb to cover my right nostril. Now you can do the same thing as I'm going through this. So you cover your right nostril, and of course you want to get yourself in a calm seated place. So cover one nostril, your right nostril, and then you're going to breathe in through your nose through the left nostril that it's open. So you're going to go. And then you're going to hold it there for 1 second, and then you're going to change your finger. So use your index finger perhaps to cover your left nostril, and then you're going to release the air through your right nostril. And again, you're going to breathe in, then cover and breathe out. Same nostril, breathe in, hold, switch, and then breathe it out through the right nostril. Same nostril, breathe in, stop and cover, and then breathe out. And again, breathe in, switch, and breathe out. Now, you can do that for as long as you want, okay? I find that even a couple of minutes of doing that, and if I just sit still and notice how I feel, I'm just gonna feel so much more calmer. A lot more calmer, seriously. So this is something that I've learned in my journey with yoga, and I think there's a lot of good things about yoga that really help singers. So that's just something I'd love you to experiment with, especially if you've got like a gig coming up and you're about to go on stage. Why don't you do some of those and see whether you feel calmer? And even when you're just feeling anxious for any other reason, go for it, okay? Yeah, it's just gonna calm you down. Even if you're like singing a song, like practicing at home, and you find that every time you get to a certain place, you keep straining your voice, that's actually caused by anxiety as well, as in you don't even subconsciously know, but your body's getting anxious about that high note. So maybe just take a minute, do some of this to calm your nervous system down, to calm everything down, and then try again and see whether that helps. All right, I really hope that you got something out of that. To me, it's a game changer. Give it a go. I'd love to know how you go with it. Now, if you would love some amazing tips on how to warm up your voice every day with an ultimate vocal warm-up from myself, completely for free, click on the link below, go to my website, and you'll be able to get that completely for free. Otherwise, I shall see you tomorrow for day 7 of 21 days to your new voice. I'll see you then, Songbird. Love you. Bye.